Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 BMW M4 Heritage Edition. And I love the carbon fiber bracing in here. And that engine sounds smooth, so we're going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. You see that it does have LED halo headlight surrounds. And if there are any LEDs that appear to be flickering in this video, it's the refresh rate of the camera interpreting that. And it doesn't flicker to the human eye. You see that it does have painted alloy wheels and the blue BMW brake calipers. And there's your emergency kit underneath this trunk. Those exhausts are super quiet. See that there's a two-door that seats four. Here's a shot of the VIN right here. And I will upload some still photos as well. See that they are sport leather seats. There are your driver presets, driver seat controls. And you'll see that it does have a carbon fiber roof. And you're going to find carbon fiber throughout the interior. This does have a Harman Kardon sound system. But you see the carbon fiber going through the dash. And then it also continues down here as well in the center console. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 2,103 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got paddle shifters as well. Your push to talk and your stereo controls. As you come over here, you'll see the sport modes that it could be an efficient, sport. Down here is where you would change that, is right here. And then your traction control, steering. And then here is your shifter, your key fob. And this controls your infotainment center. And as I mentioned, this is all carbon fiber. As you come over here, you've got your cup holders. And then additional power supplies, phone charging station here. Coming up here, you'll see that you do have heated front seats. And then your other comfort controls, other stereo controls. And right here, you'll see it does look like it flickers a little bit to the camera, but it does not do that to the human eye. Okay, but right now you'll see that it does have navigation. We'll jump over to the menu. So we can go to the stereo. You see that it does have AM, FM, CD, DVD, and all this is through Bluetooth and then USB. And jump over to communication. And that is also where the BMW Assist messages are as well. Navigation, you already saw. Connected drive. You can see the weather, Amazon Alexa, and those other apps are found right there. My vehicle. I do love the M drive and the way that this is set up. Here's your notification bank. And if you want to see the backup camera, I'll put it in reverse. There's your backup camera, and then you see also that you do have both forward and rear sensors. I'll go ahead and take it out and put it in neutral. Okay, and that will go away once we move forward. But I'm not going to go forward far enough because, as you can see here, there's a vehicle right in front of me, so I'm going to go ahead and put the brake on, and we'll go ahead and manually change that. Okay, and then go back to the menu and you can choose from there. And as you come up, you'll see that you do have a compass in the mirror, and there's your map reading lights, and then your SOS button as well. And that about wraps it up for this BMW on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact that resulted in damage from the driver's front quarter panel to the passenger's front quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.